So to get this problem fixed, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, try to scroll and try to search for your X app. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while, and you're going to find this pop up. So when this pop up, tap over here, which is this place. So when you tap on this place, what you have to do is you are going to be in the app info of X. So when you get to the app info of X, what you have to do is to tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on notifications. Now make sure the show notification is turned on, and make sure everything over here is turned on. Do you get me? So it's important to turn your show notification on. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure this background data is turned on. Turn it on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and try to search for X. So when you find your X like this, what you have to do is to update it. So just tap on the X, then after that tap on this update to get the latest update of X. So after updating your X, what you have to do is to restart your device or reboot your device. So to do this is what you have to do. Tap on your power button for some while, and this is going to pop out. And after that, tap on restart or reboot, which is different from your device. So after tapping on restart or reboot, you're going to see this. Then you tap on OK, and you're going to get your your device reboot or restart. So thank you very much for watching this video. After doing this, your problem is going to be fixed. See you in the next one.